Hello and welcome back to the Ultra HD Gamer, and this is going to be a very quick video of me unboxing this $3 wireless charging pad I got from the dollar store. And yeah, it's kind of ironic that the dollar store sells something for $3. But it is a wireless charging pad, and it can charge any phone that supports wireless charging. And it glows red while plugged in and blue while charging. It comes with a cable and a wireless charger itself, and its input is 5V 2 amps and it outputs 5V 1 amp, so it's not a fast charger by any means. I've used wireless charging before, and I mean, it's not particularly the best in the world in my opinion. It kind of takes a long time to charge and is very inefficient. I do have another wireless charger, this thing right here, that can charge both watches and phones, and I got that for like $9, and as you can see it's dusty because I don't really use it because, I mean, you know, it's not really the greatest. But it is interesting that wireless charging is available for a very low price now. Although, I mean, it is a few years old. So it doesn't come with that much packaging, and doesn't really come with that much at all in terms of the wireless charger. It's nothing too special. I'm going to go get a micro USB cable right here, because this does use micro USB. And I'm going to try to plug it in. So as you can see, I have plugged it in, and it is red. Sorry for that little itty bitty stutter. I have it on wrong. It's supposed to be like that. I'm going to get some random phone, an old Note 5. Well, not that old, but you know, in terms of like usability, it is still pretty good. So it is charging, which is pretty nice. Although, yeah, it does charge, so that's half decent. And for $3, I'm not really complaining, as it is a wireless charger, and usually those go for like 5, 10, maybe $15. Of course, this one's a really cheap one, and they probably cheaped out a lot on it, which is rather unfortunate, but, you know, it is what it is. Actually, I'm going to try with another phone, another Note 5, with a charger. With a case, I mean. Let's see if that works. Most likely it won't. Oh, actually it does. That's rather surprising. Huh. That's actually halfway. Okay, no, it's not charging anymore. And it's charging. So the coil must be relatively decent in there. Or have it in the right place. Or a little both, because it didn't really want to charge with the case on here. So let's see. Yeah, it's a little harder to get it correctly angled here. But yeah, this does work, and it is pretty small. These are my hands, which are relatively big. I'm going to actually just compare it again with a Note 5, a 5.5 inch cell phone. And as you can see, it's like 2.5 inches. I bet there are dimensions on the charging pad. Nope. Not that I can see. Try something here. Oh, I'm not having it plugged in. That's kind of dumb of me. Stand that up because I'm doing this one-handed. So, that is interesting. Wait, nope. Yep. It is charging now. And since it is wireless and it has a distance, charging distance of 2 to 10 millimeters, it can charge the phone even when I'm carrying it a little bit. Well, sort of. It's kind of a gimmicky. I gotta fiddle around with it. See if it charges like this. Apparently not. That's unfortunate. Yeah, but I am wasting a lot of power, but that kind of doesn't really matter. Well, it kind of does, but I mean, yeah, you get in, you put in 5 volts and 2 amps, and you get out 5 volts and 1 amp, so you lose a lot of power. You lose 50% of the power, which is, I guess, not too efficient if you want to save power. But, I mean, this is more of an interesting technology to me. I honestly would prefer to use regular cables, in my opinion. That's just my opinion on charging phones. But I was a little curious about wireless charging. Even though I have another one right here, I wanted to see how good this $3 wireless charging pad was from the dollar store. And it is actually half decent. I may do a teardown, I'm not sure. Can't like promise anything, but I might want to see what's inside. I mean, of course, it's gonna have a coil and probably a charging circuit. But still, kind of interesting to see what's in there. Just charges the phone on this one. But yeah, this is pretty neat, and it kind of shows how far technology has gone. Once wireless charging pads are like 20 or 30 bucks, now they're like $3 at the dollar store, which is pretty epic. And like, it's basically accessible to everyone now. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm gonna start rambling, and rambling is not good. And yeah, if you like this video, you can like it, and if you want to subscribe for more, you can subscribe. And if you don't like it, you can dislike it. And have a good day, everyone. Bye.